Is your 2010-2019 Toyota 4Runner key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your Toyota 4Runner key fob requires a specific CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at stores and online. Using the wrong battery, like a CR2025, can cause your key fob to malfunction or even get damaged due to size and voltage differences. Always check that the package clearly states CR2032 to ensure compatibility. Thankfully, you don't need specialized tools for this job. A small flathead screwdriver or a coin like a penny or nickel is all you need to gently pry open the key fob casing. It's also recommended to have a soft cloth to protect the fob from scratches. First, locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool to open it. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. The positive side typically faces up in the fob. Install the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original battery's position. Ensure it's seated properly before closing the fob. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until they snap securely. Ensure there are no gaps and the case is fully closed. Test the fob's buttons to confirm functionality. If your key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, don't panic. First, double-check the battery orientation. Ensure the positive side is facing up, as shown in this image. If the battery orientation is correct, the fob might need reprogramming due to ECU resets. This affects about 20% of cases. Try cycling the ignition key and pressing the lock button as demonstrated here. If reprogramming doesn't work, consult your owner's manual or visit a dealership for professional service. When replacing your Toyota 4Runner key fob battery, avoid these common mistakes to ensure success and prevent damage. First, never force the fob open. The plastic casing is delicate and can crack easily. Use a gentle prying tool and work slowly around the edges. Second, always install the CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, must face up toward the buttons. Incorrect orientation will cause immediate failure. Third, avoid touching the circuit board inside the fob. Static electricity from your fingers can damage the sensitive electronic components, leading to malfunction. Finally, use only genuine CR2032 lithium batteries. Counterfeit or incorrect battery types can cause poor performance and shorten the fob's lifespan. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll ensure your key fob works reliably after the battery replacement. While this DIY fix is perfect for 2010-2019 4Runners, automotive key fobs are evolving. Newer models use rechargeable batteries or energy harvesting technology. Consider monitoring apps for battery health. By 2030, expect more battery-free keyless systems driven by sustainability. For now, this simple battery swap keeps your older 4Runner running smoothly.